Hey guys, we're out here at Tampa Motocross. We're just driving around the track doing a preview for our fundraising event. All proceeds go to the charity Get Maxwell, which does cancer screenings for children.
And we do appreciate everybody showing up. This is for Get Maxwell Incorporated, which is a nonprofit. It's for pediatric screenings for cancer, which is not really happening nowadays.
Thank you guys.
In order to raise money for the event, we charged an entry fee for the track, and we also had several sponsors that provided door prizes and raffle items to help raise money for Get Maxwell. And here's just some of the items that were given to us by our sponsors to help raise money for the charity.
All right, the first drawing for the raffle is for the Morphlate tire deflator set. This does all 4 tires at once, as well as airs them back up. All right, this next one is for an AJT design. It's a Toyota overlay for the steering wheel. We've got Duro bumps, 2 sets of Duro bumps. We've got 2 sets of bed stiffeners from Running for Tacos. We have a Southern style high clearance stage 2 kit for the Tacoma or for the 4Runner. You can see an example of it over at my truck. They are awesome. All right, this next drawing is for a set of Scrub Blade off-road windshield wipers. They're great, by the way. Ooh, it's a full set, not just one. All right, this next drawing is for Midland radios. We've got 2 X-Talkers. All right, now we've got a set of Diode Dynamics $50 gift card. All right, we got a set of Bosch drill bits, 21-piece gold oxide drill bits. These things are great. Could have used this last night with my high clearance install. This is from the Wilson family. Thank you very much. Bubba rope. This is a Gator Jaw Pro synthetic shackle at 7/16, breaking strength 52,000 pounds. Wow. All right, now we've got a set of Desert Armor tire deflators, or as our friend That Just One calls them, tire tutors. All right, this next drawing is for a set of ARC splash guards. It's a 1-piece splash guard. It's far superior to those 2-piece terrible ones that come with your Toyota. All right, these next few items we're going to do, you can pick whatever you want off the table. We have the 3-color LEDs from Spartan X Customs, ARC splash guards, Duro bumps, Go treads, and bed stiffeners from R4T. All right, so now the next drawing is for the Dobinson's awning. This is from Rome Overland Outfitters.
Everyone that attended won either a door prize or a raffle item. This was a great opportunity to meet up with a bunch of our followers, see a bunch of our friends, and raise money for a great charity. This was also a great chance to see some awesome rigs and take them out to the motocross track.
I did get everybody good.
Oh! Their seatbelt on?
I was thinking that.
A huge thank you to our host for the event, Tampa MX, and a big thank you to our major sponsors, Southern Style Off-Road, Scrub Blade, Go Treads, Running for Tacos, Cryoactive, Lauer Law, Lift Theory, and Rome Overland Outfitters. We are also extremely grateful for our other sponsors that contributed items for the giveaways, as well as our friends that donated items for the raffles and participated in the event. We look forward to more events raising funds for the Get Maxwell Pediatric Cancer charity and helping save the kids. Until next time, to the dirt.